Hello guys, I'm Viraj. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to write our first program in Python, which is going to be Hello World. To write down this program, we need one of the IDE, which is going to be Jupyter Notebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search Jupyter Notebook and click on it. So you can see that the command prompt is opening up. It will automatically redirect to one of the browser. If it is not, so what you can do, you can just copy paste this URL or a link to the browser. You don't need to close this, you just need to minimize it. Otherwise, it will going to close the application and you will not able to write your first program. In order to begin with this entire tutorial, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one of the directory, or you can say the folder. So by default, the folder name is going to be untitled folder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select or tick mark this and rename it. I will give a name as Python tutorials. Open this folder, click on a new. You can see that Python 3. Click on this file. Again same. So it is going to create an untitled file by default. Every time that we have to rename this particular file. So let's see the few options over here. If you click on this, you can see that untitled. You can give the file name, like I can give the hello world. You can give whatever you want. You can see the some shortcut keys as well. Save, add a cell, cut, copy, paste, execute particular cell. We are going to see all these parameters or all these tabs in detail in next video. Let's write a first program. Print hello world. And let's run this. Immediately we are able to see the output, which is going to be hello world. But what exactly the print is? What is print? Print is built-in function. Built-in function. What is a built-in function? Built-in function is something which is Python already written for us. Every function has its own purpose. Purpose of print is really simple. To dump the output on screen or console, you can say that. So whatever we write it, like hello world, or if I'm something writing hi I'm Viraj, it is going to print on a console as it is. Then you will have a question. So what is opening closing? Call to the function. We will see this opening closing or a function call in detail later in this series. Then codes are, what is code? Single or double quotes are used to define string type. And lastly, what is hello world? What is hello world? It is just a message. We can replace this message to anything. So that's all for this video, guys. We will see few things in a coming videos. Thank you.